Hi guys, today I'm going to give you the top lead magnet ideas to grow your email list. I'm going to give you the rules that they have to follow to be top lead magnets. I'm going to give you the top categories, the top types of lead magnets, and top examples. And make sure you stick around till the end, because at the end of this video I'm going to give you the ultimate list of lead magnet ideas with 101 ideas, including the fill in the blank titles, so you don't have to think anymore. I'm Alan Lois, growing together with you to live our dream. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe down here or around the screen and click the notifications bell so you don't miss anything about digital marketing, affiliate marketing, make money online, MAP system, what is MAP system, a lot of stuff. Okay, here we're going to see the top lead magnet ideas. And first, we're going to see the top rules that it needs to follow to be a top lead magnet. The first and most important rule is it needs to solve a real problem. And it needs to be specific to solve that problem. Then, it needs to be quick for people to be able to read it or to watch it. And then, this is very important also, it needs to offer a great perceived value. People need to perceive the value. Then it needs to provide an instant benefit. It has to be quick and instant. And then it needs to demonstrate your expertise so that they start to trust you. And then later on, they will be more likely to buy your products. Now we're going to see the top categories. Number 1, educational lead magnets. This is probably the most common and the most important type of lead magnets, because everybody's searching on internet, especially of course on YouTube, for example, to learn something new, something they don't already know. So we can create a lead magnet to teach them that knowledge. Number 2, useful lead magnets. These are tutorials, how-tos, guides, step-by-step guides, calculations, or other tools that help them solve their problem. And what are the most important types of lead magnets? We'll have mainly 2 types that are the most common and the most important ones. Those are the ebooks and reports and the tutorials and video tutorials, especially for example on YouTube, of course. And then we have checklists, cheat sheets, mind maps, tools, templates, any kind of guide like how-to guide or step-by-step guide, beginner's guide, buyer's guide, any kind of guide. And now we're going to see some top examples, some of my favorite ones. And we'll start with the quick and easy way to get some results. Everybody wants to get results, but if you do it in a quick and easy way, it's going to be much more effective. Then, of course, how-tos. Everybody's searching online for how to do this or how to do that or whatever. So, how to get some result, and if we add in just 3 minutes or in just 1 week, then it's going to be more specific and much more effective also. And the third one is a very powerful one. It's about curiosity. It makes your visitor want to read it even more or want to watch it even more. So for example, what your hosting provider doesn't want you to know, whatever type of person, but what they don't know, they want to know. So it's very powerful, and the visitor is gonna want to download it or to watch it even more. And now, as promised, here is our huge bonus, the ultimate list of lead magnet ideas, which includes filling the blank titles. So you don't have to think anymore. You have all the ideas you need for your lead magnets. And we're going to see the contents. So we have ebooks and reports, apps, planners and calendars, mind maps, tools, checklists, templates, worksheets, trial offers, video tutorials, gear lists and buyer's guides, cheat sheets, infographics, multi-part e-courses, membership sites, webinars. So a lot of ideas. 101 pre-made filling the blank titles, so you don't have to think anymore about ideas for lead magnets. And if you want to download it, I'm going to leave the link in the description and in the pinned comment. So just click there and download it for free. And if you liked the video, if you found it useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It won't cost you anything and it will help me a lot. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notifications bell so you don't miss anything about digital marketing, affiliate marketing, make money online, a lot of things. And also, if you want me to make a video about one of these topics, just tell me in the comments and I will try to make a video for you. So I hope you find this useful, and I see you in the next video.